This Gales Properties property video is presented by Diane Burnett. Hard to find 5.42 acres close to town bordering the San Juan National Forest with all utilities including city water. The land has a nice variety of terrain with trees, mountain views, open meadow near forest boundary and rolling terrain on a quiet cul-de-sac. Located in Pagosa Meadows 2 and the Pagosa Lakes, owners enjoy access to the recreation center and stocked lakes. Only minutes from hospital, restaurants and shopping, this property is a great setting for your new mountain home. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Burnett at 970-749-4303.